A cheesecake top like glass, not a canyon down the middle. The crack isn't bad luck, it's temperature, and once you know the 3 rules, you'll stop it every time. First, how to hide a crack you already have. Got a crack right now? 2 rescues. For a small one, warm an offset spatula or knife under hot water, dry it, and gently smooth it back and forth over the crack until it closes. For a bigger one, cover it. A glaze, a caramel or chocolate drizzle, or a fruit topping hides it completely and adds flavor. Nobody sees the crack under a berry topping. Now the 3 rules that prevent it. Rule 1, no aerated batter. Beat the cream cheese and sugar smooth first, then add the eggs one at a time on low, just until combined. Over mixing whips in air, the air expands in the oven and the top splits. You want smooth and lump-free, but not fluffy. Rule 2, bake low and steady in a water bath. Wrap the springform in foil, set it in a roasting pan, and pour hot water halfway up. Bake around 300 degrees. The water keeps the temperature gentle and even, no hot spots. And don't open the oven door until at least 80% of the bake time is up. That blast of cool air is a crack waiting to happen. Rule 3, cool it slow. This is where most cracks happen. Pull it when the center 2 inches still jiggle. It keeps setting as it cools. Turn the oven off. Prop the door open with a wooden spoon and leave it an hour. Then room temperature for an hour. Then run a knife around the edge so it can shrink without pulling. And chill 4 to 8 hours. Overnight is best. Here's the why behind all 3. As a cheesecake cools, it contracts. If it's stuck to the pan, the edges hang on while the center pulls in, and it tears, that's your crack. Sudden temperature changes make the center contract faster than it can let go of the sides. So everything you just did, the gentle bake, the slow cool, running the knife around the edge is really one idea. Let the whole cake shrink slowly and evenly, together. Smooth top, clean slice, 0 cracks. Follow for more cake tips. Full recipe on the blog.